Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the Nexon head unit supports Apple CarPlay and that your iPhone has iOS 9 or newer. Plug the iPhone into the designated USB port if wired CarPlay is available. Once connected, allow the phone to trust the car when prompted. If you prefer wireless, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone and put the infotainment in pairing mode. Make sure the phone screen is unlocked and notifications won't block prompts. This avoids connection interruptions as you proceed to pair. Once done with basic setup, select CarPlay or the iPhone entry on the Nexon's connectivity menu. You'll see a pairing prompt on the car display. Accept it, then accept any permission prompts on your phone, including contacts and Siri access, because CarPlay needs those to run maps, calls, and messages. If using USB, choose CarPlay on the infotainment screen. If using wireless pairing, verify the PIN shown on both devices matches. After permission acceptance, the CarPlay Home should load within a few seconds. To complete setup, confirm Siri is enabled on your iPhone and that common apps like Maps, Phone, and Music appear on the CarPlay home screen. You're ready to use voice commands and steering wheel controls. If CarPlay doesn't load or freezes, restart both the phone and the Nexon infotainment quickly and try again. One key troubleshooting tip: always try an Apple-certified Lightning cable and a different USB port if wired CarPlay fails, because faulty cables are the most frequent connection culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.